A very good morning, children. I'm Deepa, your physical science teacher from Dr. Vincent School. How are you all, children? I hope you all are staying at home and watching all the videos and doing the written works. I hope you all are understanding all the concepts, children. If you have any doubts, you can call and ask us. Or in the Zoom interaction classes, you can clarify your doubts. Okay, children? Okay. Now let us come back to our session again, physical science session. Okay. And up to the previous session, what we are learning about synthetic fibers and plastics, and we have learned about different synthetic fibers and how are they prepared, like nylon, rayon, acrylic, polyester, what are their uses, all that we learned up to now, isn't it? Now in this today's session we are going to learn different resin identification codes. What is this resin identification codes? Plastics, you all know about plastic. We are seeing many plastic items around our house, isn't it? In the house, even inside the house and also surrounding also. So are all the plastic items same? They are made, prepared in the same manner or what? No. Different plastic items are with different codes. What is that codes? That we are going to see now. I hope you all are ready with your books. Open page number 53 in your textbook, children. See activity 6. How can you say a bottle is PET bottle? What is this PET? What is its full form? All that we are going to learn now. Now see, different codes will be there at different kinds of water bottles and even different plastic items present in your house. If you take, you will observe different codes on that. Symbols. What is that symbols? Let us see here. Like these symbols will be there. Like a triangle. The symbols will be same like a triangle. What does this triangle symbol indicate? And in the symbols there will be numbers 1, 2, 3 like this. How many codes are there like this? 7 codes are there. There are 7 codes like this. Okay. So all the symbols are same. Nothing but triangle symbol if you observe. What does this triangle represent? It represents recyclable, which can be recycled. Recycled means what? Which can be used again and even if it is spoiled, again it can be prepared. With that spoiled item, we can prepare another new item with that. Okay. So, and in this symbol, you will see different codes, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 numbers you will observe. One is PET, P-E-T, PET. For 2 it is HDPE, HDPE. 3 is PVC. 4. LDPE. And 5. PP. 6. PS. 7. Other. These are the different codes which you will observe on every plastic items. Okay. Now, what is the full form of these codes? PET, HDPE, PVC, LDPE, PP, PS, P other. What are their full forms? Let us see now. First, if we take PET, what is the full form of this PET? Polyethylene terephthalate. Polyethylene terephthalate, that is PET. Next one, HDPE, high density polyethylene. HDPE means high density polyethylene. And next is PVC. I think you all listened about this PVC. Full form is polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride. Next, LDPE, low density polyethylene. Low density polyethylene. Next, PP. What is PP? Polypropylene. PP means polypropylene. PP is polypropylene. Next, PS. Polystyrene. Polystyrene. These are the different resin codes which are very important. On the plastic items, you can see this symbol. Either at the bottom or side somewhere he will give this symbol. So with code number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This triangle symbol represents recycle. What is recycle? We are going to learn further. Okay. Code number 1 is PET. PET full form is polyethylene terephthalate. Code number 2 is HDPE, which its full form is high density polyethylene. 3. PVC, polyvinyl chloride. 4. LDPE, low density polyethylene. 5. PP, polypropylene. 6. PS, polystyrene. And 7 is others. Others indicate the category of other includes any resin, not specifically numbered, or combinations of one or more of the resins. Others means other than this remaining all comes under others. Clear, children? You understood? See, what you will do is, that is what given in activity 7. You collect some plastic items in your house. You will be having many plastic bottles, boxes, your pencil boxes also you can take. Okay. And plastic bags, plastic cups, boost bottles, like that in your house. Take them and check what is the code. Where you should check, I will show you. Here are some of the plastic items which I can show you. Yes. See here, children. Observe carefully at the back. Now can you see the triangle symbol here? Can you see? Yes. What is there? Number 5 is there. Here in this triangle, what is there? Number 5. 5 means what is it? PP. Here down PP also written. 5 and PP is there. So PP is polypropylene. So this is a plastic of code number 5, which is polypropylene, made up of polypropylene. Understood? Like that you check for different plastic items in your house. I brought some. See here, this also. See children, can you see here? I don't know how far it is visible. Just to see. Yes, you can see a triangle shape at least. Triangle shape. Like this you observe in all your plastic items present in your house. See, 5, number 5, PP, polypropylene. In the same way, another one is there here. Think you can see this clearly. Yes. Can you see here? Very clearly it is there. See the triangle symbol shows recycle. What is the number there? Number 1. What is the name? PET. Number 1 means PET. What is meant by PET? Polyethylene terephthalate. This is number 1. Okay? Clear everyone? Okay. Like this. Okay, first note down that. All note down, which is very important. The different codes and their full forms note down, children. Completed? I hope you all have completed. Right. So now, as I told, from your house you collect different plastic items. Mostly at the back it will be given. Sometimes somewhere at the side. So check your plastic items and what number is there. For that number, what is the code and what is the full form of that code. All that you should note down. That is what given in our next activity. I hope you all are clear with these codes. Right. That is what given. See in activity 7 you all see. Identification of various articles with recycling codes. Collect bottles of soft drinks. Soft drinks means cool drink bottles you collect. 500 ml or more. Bottles of juice and containers of fruit jam, ketchup, shampoo, coffee powder, and try to look for the triangle. What do you notice? What are these codes? What is the use of these codes? Are all bottles found with codes? You should answer all these questions after checking in your home. First, look at the soft drinks and juices. You may observe that irrespective of the brand name, means the soft drink may be any brand like 7-Up, Thumbs Up, Coca-Cola, Mazda, whatever brand it is. The number 1 is marked in the middle of the triangle. On every soft drink bottle, cool drink bottle, you will observe only this code, number 1, PET, polyethylene terephthalate. Why? Let us see. It indicates that it is a PET bottle. What about other bottles? Where do you find these codes? Explore from various sources and try to know more about coded articles. Now see, do you know why are soft drinks stored in these PET bottles only? As we discussed now, irrespective of brand name, every soft drink bottle has only this code. 1. PET, polyethylene terephthalate. Why? What is the reason for that? Because soft drinks are aerated drinks, carbonated drinks. Means what does a soft drink consist of? Soft drink consists of carbon dioxide in it. Okay, so these bottles are plastic. This plastic should not react with that carbon dioxide present in that drink. Okay, so for not to react, that plastic is made only PET. This type of plastic is used to store the soft drinks. because they conserve carbon dioxide. This type of plastic will not react with that carbon dioxide present in the drink. So compulsory every soft drink bottle consists of only this coat PET. Understood, children? See, soft drinks are carbonated, so they should be stored in containers with which they will not react. Next, plastics around us. Observe various articles around you in your house, kitchen, rooms, and bathrooms. What is the most common material used in making these objects? With what they are made? You observe and tell. Many of the articles made in your kitchen, rooms, and bathrooms consists of what? Made up of plastic. Milk and oil pouches. You have seen milk packets, oil packets made up of plastic. Containers to store pickles and rice. Containers to store pickles. We are using this type of bottles only for pickles, isn't it? Can we store pickles in metals? In steel can? We should not store because pickles are somewhat acidic, which will react with that metal. So they should be stored only in plastic or glass. But we naturally store in plastic bottles. In the same way, rice. Buckets to store water in our washroom buckets. Definitely they are plastic. Chairs in our house, what we are using. Water pipes, electric appliances, television, radio and computers, mobile phones. Everything seems to be made of plastic. Yes or no? Maximum of our house is filled with plastic only. Talk to the elders in your family about the materials they used in the past. In olden days, what materials they used? If any elders are there in your house, your grandparents are there, you ask them what they used in your house. Did they use plastic buckets? Did they use for storing pickles plastic bottles? Did they use plastic chairs? You ask them. Can you tell what they used in olden days? See, particularly, what do they think about buying water in polythene pouches? Can we buy the water in polythene pouches? That water packets, many times I told, should not drink that water packets. That is not at all good because plastic is there. Water is stored in plastic. Plastic is made up of chemicals. This water will react with that chemicals and become harmful, poisonous. So we should not drink because that is cheap quality of plastic. In water pouches, the packets are made up of cheap quality of plastic. What did they use to bring milk, oil, other liquids from shop to home in the past? Can you tell what they used? They used the cans, either steel cans or silver cans. Now everything is packed in plastic. But in olden days, no plastic. They did not use plastic this much. They used to bring this through the cans. What were the containers, buckets, mugs, chairs, and tables used in the past made of? Containers made up of either steel or silver articles they used. And buckets, they used steel buckets, copper buckets, but not plastic buckets. Mugs also. Okay, and chairs. What type of chairs and tables they used? Your grandparents made up of wood. What do we use to make these articles? Present what we are using? What type of articles we are using? Maximum we are using made of plastic. Plastic has taken over the place that occupied by metals and wood earlier. Plastic have also replaced glass items because glass items if they are fallen down they will broke. Isn't when I am young, a student like you, we in our fridge we used to have glass bottles, not plastic bottles. But the glass bottles, by chance, if they have fallen from the hand, what will happen? They will break. So now all are using plastic bottles. If we continue to write the list, it will be endless. So plastics completely occupied our life because of their characteristic properties. What is plastic? Actually, what is plastic? Let us see. What is plastic? Generally, plastic is also a polymer. What is meant by polymer? I told poly. Poly means many. Many small units joined, monomers, join and form a large chain-like structure, large unit, that is called polymer. And this plastic is also a polymer like many synthetic fibers. But the monomers in plastic can be arranged in two ways. So what is a plastic? Plastic is also a polymer. Plastic is also a polymer. And the monomers in plastic, polymer means combination of monomers, isn't it? So in this plastic, monomers are arranged in two ways. This monomers are arranged in two ways. One is linear arrangement of monomers. This square box represents monomers. They are linked with each other, attaching each other. Like this they are arranged. What is it called? Linear arrangement. This type of arrangement of monomers is called linear arrangement. Whereas another type of arrangement is what does this boxes represent? They represent monomers. Each box is monomer. Let us consider. So this is what our second arrangement. Okay, see the difference in the arrangement here and there. Can you find any difference? Here this is linear arrangement, all are arranged in a line. Whereas see here how they are arranged, like this and like this, isn't it? So what we call it, it is like a cross. So this type of arrangement is called cross-linked arrangement. It is called cross-linked arrangement. Understood, children? So two types of arrangements. One is linear arrangement, which all the monomers are arranged in a line. Whereas another one is cross-linked arrangement. All the monomers are arranged in the like a cross. So it is called cross-linked arrangement, which this type of arrangement is very strong. Cross-linked arrangement is very strong. This is weak. So basing on this arrangement, two types of plastics are there. What are the two types of plastics? One is basing on this type of arrangement. This type of arrangement plastics are called thermoplastics. Whereas this type of arrangement of plastics is called thermosetting plastics. Thermosetting. So basing on the arrangement of the monomers, there are two types of plastics, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. About this plastics we are going to learn in our next topic. Okay, children? So plastic is also a polymer. Polymer means monomers, combination of monomers, and these monomers are arranged in two ways. One is linear arrangement, another one is cross-linked arrangement. Linear arrangement, the plastics which are in linear arrangement are called thermoplastics, and the plastics which are in cross-linked arrangement are called thermosetting plastics. Clear, children? Next, before going to these types of plastics, all see in your textbook, page number 54. He gave, do you know about a scientist? What is that scientist name? Alexander Parkes. Alexander Parkes from 1813 to 1890, who is the creator of first plastic. Alexander Parkes is the creator of first plastic, which is named on the honor of his name only, called as Parkesine. The first plastic is called as Parkesine because it was created by Alexander Parkes. One of the many trims of modern science, which is completely encompassed the day-to-day life across the world, is the invention of plastics. The synthetically produced material was first presented in 1862 in London by Alexander Parkes. To prepare this material, Parkes heated nitrated cotton, means combination of nitrogen with cotton, nitrated cotton, which previously soaked in sulfuric acid and made fabric soft and elastic with oil and camphor. So he mixed all this. First nitrated cotton dipped in sulfuric acid and then made the fabric, prepared a fabric which is soft and elastic with oil and camphor. The end product was an ivory colored material that became distorted when subjected to heat. Distorted, got melted. This is named as Parkesine. Based on these initial efforts, plastic evolved as main base for many modern materials. But at that time, people were not interested on this alternative to natural substances. At that time, what people used, they used only natural materials like wood and metals, glass, isn't it? But people are not interested in this plastic in those days. Now it is the basis for most of the modern materials. But now, if you observe, most of the modern materials are made up of plastic only. Am I clear, children? So this is about the arrangement. Please note down this arrangement, which is very important. Linear arrangement and cross-linked arrangement of monomers. Completed, children? So today we learned different resin codes of plastics, isn't it? How many codes? 7 codes. One is PET, polyethylene terephthalate. Next one is HDPE, high density polyethylene. And next one is PVC, polyvinyl chloride. And fourth one, number 4 is LDPE, low density polyethylene. Number 5, PP, polypropylene. Number 6, PS, polystyrene. Okay, these are the resin codes. As I told, in your house, plastic materials you take and check what code is there on that. Different materials. And all the soft drink bottles, irrespective of the brand name, consists of only one code.